So I've been asked to put together a quick advert, 250 odd words. For the new Vintage Tool Shop, we only list and work with maybe 20% of what comes in, but I also refuse to throw stuff away. So here we are. "250 words exactly. A good tool is a forever tool and is often passed down the generations, somehow seeming to take on a hint of the personality and character of the creators who use it. If you have a favourite handplane, chisel, penknife, or even dibber for that matter, you will know the magic of which I speak. You can feel the witness marks of how the handle has been held in a certain way, bringing the blade to bear just so, and thus informing how future generations use that tool too, taking it from mass-produced item to a custom-formed entity in its own right. VintageToolShop.com and subsequently VintageToolAuctions.com were founded due to this love of old, well-used and now unloved or even, heaven forbid, unneeded tools that want a new home, a new hand to work and new projects to get stuck into and new creations to bring into existence. All too often these days, what could be a multi-generational inspiration ends up in a metal recycling skip to be melted into some knick-knack or single-use travesty. Born out of a guitar builder's love of hand tools and a need to supply his apprentices with the same, the tool shop rapidly grew, and all too soon we had to consider scrapping tools ourselves. Through sheer abundance of good tools needing time and love, we have the love, just not the time. Thus is born a specialist vintage tool auction house. No tool will be left behind. VintageToolAuctions.com. Too markety? Just markety enough? Or do I have a problem and I love tools more than any sane human should? Let me know in the comments. Catch you later. And thus informing future generations. I don't know, that is better, how future generations use the tool. Taking it from mass-produced item to custom form. Ah, there we go. I'm getting rid of 2 words. Somehow seeming to take on a hint of the personality and character of the creators who use it. Yeah, cool.